Guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree, and I thought we can scroll through their books, guys. So we're starting here at the bottom. I saw some nice ones here. So this one says chocolate modeling cake toppers. Isn't that awesome, guys? Look at that. Okay, so I saw that one. Let me see if I move this over here. And then this one says self-portrait photography. Okay, that one looks nice. It doesn't say the price in the back. Okay, so then this one over here says Wanderlust Quilts. So that's really nice. This is a nice book to get, to give as a gift. And $16.99, I think that one says. So then this one here says the American Knits. That looks nice. So these are really good, guys. I never seen these before. Dress your gingerbread. Look how nice that is. Wow. That's so cute. Okay, so I found this. And then this one, what is this one? A big book of building mods and circuits. Okay, so we have these. So let me put this back here. Back there you have 6 weeks to sexy abs plan. Then you have the gingerbread. Let me see what these are. Okay, dress your gingerbread. So we just saw that. This one says good food for all. So I don't want to take all those out. Let me put these back and show you the other ones. So this one over here says a smoking bacon hog book. My Sweet Angel. True story of Lacey Spears. Okay. And I don't know if I can reach all the way back there. Let me see. Odd Child Out. That looks interesting. Okay, so they have that. This one's called the Animal Farm Buttermilk Cookbook. This is, I never seen this before. So this is like $27.99, that book. Then here it says How to Be Famous. I gotta read that book. Some of these books, guys, are all over the place. So we just saw that one. Now over here, guys, look at this. So this is mocktails and cocktails. And then salads made simple. And then it says cooking for kids. That's pretty neat. That's nice. And then juice it. So this is a nice book. Let me see. $18.95 it went for. So let's see. How to Be Famous. Let me see. The Twilight Wife. And then this book here. Guys, this is a great book. It's called The Chef's Library. Then this one is, let's see, summer cooking, seafood cooking, made simple, and then cookout, made simple. I like these books, guys. These books make nice gifts. This one is called Class. That's the salad book. And then this one is the Grain Brain Whole Life Plan. Then the Fire Line, then Oliver. Right here. It's Not About Perfect. This one I saw at the other Dollar Tree, the Secular Jesus Follower. Then North from Rome. The Riff. Okay, Dark at the Crossings. Mad. Okay, let's go up one. So this one's called the Skinny Grill. That's pretty neat. And then this one is the Induction Burner, Recipes on the Planet. Stranger Than Fan Fiction. Okay, this one is called Indian Cookery. And let's see. How Hard Can It Be? Old School. I'm standing like the wrong way. A Contrary Motion. It's Not About Perfect. And this one here says The Guide to Gluten-Free Food. I think we saw that one. This one is called Glitter and Glue. Buffering. Okay, Time to Shine. True Reagan. The Ford Nation. And then these books, guys, level 1, 2, and 3. I think these are kids' books. Yes, level 1, 2, and 3. All right, so then over here, because these things are a mess, guys. So here's Sesame Street Bubbles. Let me see. Who is Rich? This is Stitch It for Fall. Isn't that nice? These make nice gifts, guys. And this is Juice It, another Juice It book. That's pretty neat. People who like juicing. I think juicing is good for you. And this is the Skinny Grill. That's nice. So they have 2 of those. And then they have this one, Who is Rich? This one is called The Wife's Tale. I saw that at the other Dollar Tree. Who is Rich? This one is called Your Heart is a Muscle the Size of Your Fist. This is new, guys. I've never seen this here. Then Nelson DeMille. Bones, Brothers, Horses, Cartels, and The Borderland Dream. And what is this one here? The Clean 20. Look at this one. Oh, did we see this one? Yeah, those are the cake toppers. Okay, this one called The Adventures of John Carson. And we have Shadow on the Mountain. And the Prior Wood. Okay, Dream Forever. Okay, The Fire Line. Okay, guys, and that's Kathy Griffin's book. I think we've seen that already. Allison Pearson, How Hard Can It Be? We saw that one. Do It with the Lights On. Wow. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's see. Lose the Final 15. I think we saw that one too. And Owen Shears, Pink Mist. So here we have the Confusion of Languages. And I can't get back there, guys. Let's see. Music of the Ghosts. Let's see this one. In the Name of the Family. Okay. This is a Spanish one. Tu quinceañera. Okay, your Sweet 15. Because with Spanish people in Puerto Rico celebrate the Sweet 15 instead of the Sweet 16. Okay, so this one over here says, Can I Go Now? And then The Fifth Element. Okay, and the gluten-free checkup. And on top, guys, we have the Bibles. Now over here we have all the kids' books, guys, and also these the Fruit of the Spirit, you know, the spiritual books. So you have Bubbles, then you have the Eyes, Nose, Fingers, and Toes. I love those. Mr. Wrinkles. I love kids' books. God Made Animals. Isn't that sweet? And then okay, so we have Bible stories here, Mother Goose, and the alphabet. Let's see, coloring books, Things That Go to Land, then the Sharks, then Jack and the Beanstalk, Little Red Riding Hood, the Three Little Pigs. Isn't this awesome, guys? I love this. So we have, oh, look at this, Choose Hope. Those make nice books for baskets. That one says Faith and Walking with Him. Then you have the Story of Creation, and then Chicken Soup of the Soul, Love That's Meant to Be. Okay, guys, so over here you have the coloring books, and then you have the crossword puzzles and the large crossword puzzles. You have Sudoku, and I hope I said that right. And then you have all of the kids' coloring books and all of the adult coloring books all over here, guys. And crayons and stuff. You have your scissors and all that stuff hanging off the sides. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to look at their books, and I'll see you in another video.